Hello everyone, it's Zinia here, and today I'm back with another scrapbook layout using some of my favorite Altenew products. In this project, I'm going to feature the brand new Enchanting Washes Paper Pack and some other fun Altenew products. I'm going to use almost all the patterns that come in this paper pack, and I'm gonna die cut them using the shattered triangle dies. As you see, I'm cutting two triangle pieces out of every single pattern. And I'm going to do to make the process faster, I'm just gonna cut rectangles out of every paper. And then I have my dies adhered with a piece of washi tape so I can just cut them fast and easily. I'm gonna use my mini Blossom die cutting machine to cut everything out, and once they're ready I'm gonna place them on a piece of white cardstock and I'm going to just start the process. By the way, if you want to take a closer look in this paper pack, as well as a couple more cards I created with it, you should visit the Altenew Scrapbook blog, and you can find the link in the description box below. Now back to this layout, I scattered all the pieces basically randomly onto the page. Once the pieces were die cut, I just threw them on the paper, and from there you see I'm kind of like arranging them in a more organized manner, but I didn't really think it all that much. I basically wanted to go from one side of the page to the other, so from top left to bottom, basically bottom middle, I guess, and as much as my die cut pieces allowed me to extend. Now you can fill a bigger space if you use more pieces, but it's not really necessary. I felt that these amount of die cut pieces felt enough space on the page to make it look nice, but not too overwhelming. I specifically decided to go towards this design because the patterns were so bright and exciting that I felt that if I added large pieces of the patterns, it will look a little bit overwhelming. To finish embellishing the layout, I pulled out some embellishments that were recently released in December 2018. These embellishments include some cardstock sticker butterflies and some acetate butterfly die cuts, as well as some beautiful wood veneer pieces. I was surprised that the colors of the butterflies were matching these paper sets so beautifully. It's like they were made for each other. So I was very excited to use them in the same page. Now, as a final touch to add some extra detail and, little decoration to the page, I pulled out a soft lilac ink spray from my shelf and I added some splatters around the page. And I don't know how you do it, but when I add splatters on my page, I am a little bit more careful. I don't want to splatter too randomly because I don't want to have too large splatters or too messy splatters. So I'm basically lightly tapping, and then I'm using the end of the sprayer to kind of like lightly touch and create little dots in the exact places I want them to go. And that basically gives you a lot of control over the splattering process. And that's basically it. If you want to take a closer look at this page, as I said, make sure to visit the Scrapbook blog of Altenew and check all the products that I used and some close-up photos. Thank you so much for stopping by. I will see you again very soon.